Afternoon, Maddie. This is Phil Nelson with Tameron Honda in Hoover. I just wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself. Also, I wanted to thank you for inquiring on this beautiful 2009 Nissan Versa. This vehicle is a locally owned, locally traded car. It's only got about 90,000 miles on it. As you can see, it's in immaculate condition. Exactly what you're looking for, and it's at that greater than that special price that you saw online. So give me a call to schedule a VIP appointment. I'd love to show you this thing in person. My number is 205-834-6908. That's 205-834-6908. Or you can email me at pnelson@tameron.com. And I can promise you this, Maddie, when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.